Hey everyone. I'm dying. Today I'm going to be showing you my mini slime collection, and I only have 3 slimes here today. So yeah, and none of them stick, so they're like slimes you can hold. So I'm going to start out with a fluffy slime. It's like this yellow fluffy slime. And I like how it just comes right out of its container. And it sticks like a tiny bit still. I don't know why. I probably need to add more borax and water solution. This one I made with borax and water solution, glue, and shaving cream, and food coloring. So yeah, this is my first one. Stick into my pinky. There we go. And I bought these little containers from CVS. They're only $1. So yeah, Dollar Store probably has them too. I still have some slime on it. Whatever. Okay, the next one I'm going to be showing you is, it's the same exact thing as that yellow one, just a different color and sort of a different texture. It's the same exact recipe. This one's like has a tiny bit of a tint of yellow to it. But other than that, see, I'm going to show you how satisfying it is watching it. It just like clumps up all together. Like that. Oh my god. And this stuff sticks more than my other one. Like the first one I just showed you. And this, they're the same recipe like I already said. This one just has different like texture. And I like the yellow one better. This is kind of like one of my slimes. Like, it doesn't really matter to me. Just like social studies. Like those subjects in school that you don't really care about. Like I know you get good grades in them, but they're not, you don't like them, but you don't not like them. Like, I don't know. Am I the one? Probably. I'm gonna try and put this away without it sticking everywhere. Why won't it come off? Those are my hands. Like right now, usually it doesn't stick this much, but it's all cool because it'll like come off easily. Like, okay, I got my hands cleaned up and I put that away. But this is my last slime, and I made it like a fishbowl type slime. It is also the same recipe as those, but it's like it got really weird now. It has these little like glass balls in them, and I found these balls in a stuffed animal that I got. And this thing like really takes the shape of whatever container it's in. You guys can see this is square, and it had a square shape. So all these were made of the same recipe. The only bad thing about this slime is the balls, like they'll fall out. They'll fall out of it. And they're really small and they're like clear, so it's hard to, okay, that one fell in the container. That one didn't. Okay, yeah, I'm just gonna put this away now. Put that away. Okay. So that is my mini slime collection. I only have like 5. I'm kidding, I have like 3. That's it. 3. Just 3. Okay, but thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos. Yeah, that's it.